From the onset, CEO Ian Narev went on the front foot.
Let me just start by saying that the Commonwealth Bank has been under a very high degree of scrutiny over the last few days.
Austrac's allegations of breaches of anti-money laundering rules through its instant deposit machines overshadowed the biggest profit posted by one of Australia's big four banks.
Up 5% to $9.9 billion, bringing the run of consecutive record profits to 9 years for the bank, mainly built off home loan growth.
But shareholders are concerned.
Shareholders don't want to see profit at any cost, and also shareholders pay the fine.
That fine is still under consideration.
There's no evidence of deliberate behaviour.
As the bank continues to work with Austrac.
We're not saying every problem has been fixed.
Gone are short-term bonuses for its CEO and group executives. Fees to board directors have been cut.
And there's a whole lot of different things they're going to have to consider. You know, do we look at clawback mechanisms? Do we look at what happens to deferred bonuses for long-term incentives? Positions at risk.
Ian Narev says he is staying put.
Are you still the right person to lead the bank?
I believe that I am.
The Australian Shareholders Association says calls for a Royal Commission are back on the agenda.
You are looking at culture and behaviour. There's been an incredible slowness of response, which has been a pattern across a number of issues.
In 2014 came revelations thousands of customers received bad advice from CommBank financial planners. In 2016 it was found to have charged customers for financial advice they didn't receive. And earlier this year, ASIC said its CommInsure business was falling short of community expectations by using out-of-date medical definitions to deny claims.
We've got work to do.
Instead of celebrating its best ever profit result, the bank is dealing with how to repair its reputation.
First, we've got to make sure that we are safe and we do everything that Austrac and other regulators expect of us. And we've just got to make sure that we build that trust and communicate. Often in these situations you hear executives saying it's before the courts, I can't comment. I'm here fronting.
Next week, full remuneration details for CommBank management will be released. Ricardo Goncalves, SBS World News.